Activate free snap, snap grip, snap on endpoints, snap center, snap middle and snap intersection. Select circle center point. Left-click to put the center point of our circle. Go to command line form, type radius, 20, press enter. Create a circle again, radius, 30. Select line horizontal. Type length, 50, select snap point, end. Left-click, put the line at the center of our circle. Create circle center point. Left-click at the line here to put the circle. Go to command line form, type 7, press enter. Create circle again, radius, 14. Select and delete unnecessary line. Select line, tangent. Click at circles to create tangent lines. Select these shapes. Select with mouse, block from right to left. Select mirror tool. Click here to start create a mirror line, and then click again. Select keep original, and click OK. Select dimension horizontal. Left-click to put the dimension lines. Select radial to create show diameter of circles.